Kurumjari, namaste, hello. I came back after a long time. Yeah, I went to Kerala to visit Alleppey. This is a place which is known for its backwaters and houseboats and all. So in this video, I'm going to take you to the beautiful sea beaches of Kerala, the backwaters and the food that I had there. And I hope you guys will completely enjoy this video. We started our journey via train from Coimbatore to Alleppey Junction. From Junction, we directly went to the kayaking center through a boat, and there we are practicing kayaking and waiting for the sunrise to capture some beautiful views. That's me and Divyasri practicing our kayaking, and then when the sun comes up, we were waiting with our phones to capture it. So the sun finally came up, and that's me showing off some of my skills. It was a bit scary also because the water was looking really big. See, it's really vast, and then I don't have any prior experience of swimming, so just with the life jacket, I was willing to take the risks and capture these beautiful views. For kayaking, we booked Nadodi kayaking while we were on the train, and then they gave us enough time and they told us how the kayaking is done and all. So through the simple lessons that they gave for few minutes, see, I was almost becoming a pro in kayaking. Just like a bus stop, that is a ship stop or a ferry stop. Yeah, and then I will show you around. Some small boats were there, and then I will also show you a houseboat. So me and Divyasri decided that if we just go on the houseboat like over there, then we won't be enjoying the water directly. That's why we headed for kayaking. For breakfast, they gave us a cup of tea and a ripe banana toast. It was a totally whole new experience. Now I was very much done with kayaking. I could not complete the entire way back because I told them that my hands were really very tired. So from there, we headed back to land. And then from the land, again we have to go back to the resort, got freshened up and all. So on this way, I was filming such beautiful memories with me to take it back home. You can see the beautiful houseboats, and that's a backwater. That's not a lake or that's not a big river or something. That's the beauty of Kerala. The backwaters was just mesmerizing. After that, we hired an auto and we were so exhausted, and that's our way. Now it was time to freshen up and come back with our game. Come on, here I come. We were all set to have fun the entire day, ready with the sneakers and all. So I was like, why should students have all the fun? Let me also be goofy around when no one is there. And then, first of all, we went to visit the lighthouse. It was closed on that day, but at least I could enjoy the view from outside, and that's exactly what I did. I won't let anything spoil my day. I wanted to visit it, so I saw it. Big deal, huh? Within a few meters from the lighthouse, we saw an abandoned structure, and then we wanted to discover what it is. So we were just taking some shots, videos, and photos in there. And then from there, we headed back to sea beach. And it was so hot that we had to use the umbrella. So Divyasri is telling how hot it was. And then, if you want to see how really hot it was, see, it was that hot. Then we were walking around the sea beach, and whatever that was behind over there, it was creeping me out. I really don't want to see the face of that. And then there was paragliding there. So we were taking some videos of paragliding and all. So if you are comparing this place to Varkala, then obviously this one is a little bit of family oriented place. So the fun was kind of limited here. Being on the sea beach was completely dehydrating me out. So we decided that we will head to Wacky Wacky and have some lime juice. And Divyasri, as usual, being my videographer, the sweetest videographer, she always takes videos from such good angles. Just look at the next clip. See, I'm having a sip of it, and the way she takes the video away from there and then showing that what is the view that we are having and all. This is such a pure bliss in my life. And then now it was time to hop from one place to another, looking and deciding what to have for lunch. And then if I'm coming to Kerala, then why should not I try the fish? That's what it was on my mind. And according to Divyasri, having chicken and Kerala parota is very tasty because she is half Malayali also. So after getting some suggestions, we headed to Hotel Brothers because it is highly recommended over here. And we were also told that it will be crowded. Because of high amount of customers, we don't get private table. We had to share with other people. So that is Kerala rice, which looks very big, almost like puff rice or muri, and the size of the fish was quite big. So I was confirming again whether is it a fish or a chicken, and yeah, it was fish. The taste, it was good, but the masala was a little bit of overwhelming for me. And the most disheartening part was I ordered for salad and they told me that no kind of salad is available, which is like a big blow off to me. I love watching sunset by the sea beach. It is one of the most treasured views that I always have with me. So we headed back to the sea beach to enjoy the sea one more time because I have to head back to Coimbatore, and there you won't get any sea beaches. It was such a calm and a serene moment. I was taking all the memories with me, enjoying the water, the sea breeze and all. I hope you guys also enjoyed today's video, and I hope to meet you guys again with another vlog soon enough. Till then, take care. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and bye.